Good morning, children. This is math period, and today we will start with division.
Good morning, children. Today is 6th of August 2020. We are on chapter 3. Name of the chapter is Operations on Large Numbers. And till now, we have done addition, subtraction, and multiplication. And these three applications or exercise based on these three operations, we always start from right hand side. Yes, children, we always start from right hand side. Yes, today we will be starting with division. This is division sign, children, and we start division from left hand side. Okay, now in our last class we have done the properties of different properties of division and how to divide or how to do division with the multiples of 10. These two things we have done in our last class. Today we will be doing division by long method. By long method, and we will be taking large numbers. We are taking large numbers and divisor we will be taking of 4 digits. Yes, children. And your exercise 3C, which is given on page number 44, is based on division by long division method only. Is it clear, children? So, what will be our division sum, children? What will be our division sum? So, first, remember, we are going to do division on large numbers by using 4-digit divisor. Yes, children. And our division sum is 49 crore 37 lakh 50,218. And divisor is 1,956. This is our division sum. Now children, let's see how to divide. How to divide large numbers with 4-digit divisors. So our division sum is 49 crore 37 lakh 50,218 by 1,956. So children, before we start division, always remember this thing that we start division from left hand side, that is from this side, left hand side, the highest place value given in the dividend. We start division from the highest place value given in the dividend. Is it clear, children? And first of all, make division box. What is division box, children? This is division box. This is what? Division box. Can you see here, children? This is what? This is division box. Yes. Inside division box, we will be writing dividend. What is our dividend? Our dividend is 49 crore 37 lakh 50,218. Yes, children. Remember, I am repeating again, 49 crore 37 lakh 50,218 is our dividend, which is a number which we are going to divide. We will be writing in the division box, inside the division box. Yes, children. Now, what we will be writing outside division box? Divisor. We will be writing divisor. So, what is our divisor? 1,956 is our divisor. I am reminding you again, children, we start division from left side. Yes, children, we start division from left side. Always remember this thing. Now, children, after writing dividend inside the division box and divisor outside the box, we will start division. 1,956 is our divisor, and we start from division from the highest place value which is given in the number. So 40 crore is the highest. So this digit 4 is coming first. Okay, so we have to start division from this number 4. Yes, 4 is smaller than or bigger than 1956? Smaller. So put 0 here. Then take 9. Now 49 is bigger or smaller? Again 49 is a smaller. Put another 0 here. Now take it 3 also. 493. Is this number is bigger than 1956? No, smaller. So put it here, children. Yes. Now take 7 also. Now your number is 4,937. 4,937. This number is bigger than 1956 or smaller? It is bigger than. Now children, always remember that we cannot divide smaller number from divisor. Dividend should be bigger than divisor. Dividend should be bigger than divisor. And children, remember one more thing. This number is pretty big number. So what we will be doing? We will break into parts and we will divide it. Okay. Now, so first part is 4,937 as it is bigger than 1956, and we divide bigger number than smaller number. So keep this in mind. Okay. Now, do you remember 1956 table? I don't remember, and I believe there are hardly people, those who know the table of 1956. In this case, what we are supposed to do? What we are supposed to do? See children, hide these 3 numbers. 1. 1 is smaller and no use of 1, because if we will divide any number by 1, the quotient will be number itself. So take 1 more. Now 19 is your number. Now hide all this number and take the highest place value of the number, that is 4. Yes children, now 4 is bigger than 19 or smaller than? Smaller than. Okay, then take 1 more digit. Now this is 49. 49 is bigger than 19 or smaller? It is bigger than. Now read 19's table until you get 49 or number which is closer to 49, and it should come in 19's table. So read 19's table. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57. 57 is bigger. Okay, then forget it about 57. Come 19 twos are. 19 twos are 38. So now divide 1956 by 2. Multiply 1956 by 2. Is it clear, children? It is simple tricks. Children, now you have to remember this number 19. Now you have to remember this number 19. It is very important here. This 19 number is going to play very important role in division. Now, multiply this. I am repeating again, we are not taking 3 times because 19 threes are 57 and 57 is bigger than 49. That is why we are taking 19 twos are. Yes, so 19 twos are 38. So we are multiplying 2 with this complete number 1956. 2 6s are 12, 2 5s are 10, carry 1, 11, 2 9s are 18, 1 19, 2 1s are 2 and 3. 3,912. Right here. 3,912. Yes. And now do subtraction here. Yes, children. 7 minus 2, 5. 3 minus 1, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. 4 minus 3, 1. This is your remainder here. And children, always remember, your remainder will be always smaller than divisor. If it is bigger than divisor and equal to divisor, that means your division is wrong. First sign. Okay. Now children, see. So what you will be writing here on the top of 7, you will be writing 2 here. Because we have done multiplication 2 times. Yes. Now bring this 5 down. Bring this 5 down next to 5 only. Now read your number. 10,255. Now children, 10 is again smaller than 19. Yes. Now 102. Now read 19's table until you get 102, or you or a number which is smaller, less than 102, or it should come in 19's table. So 19 3s are 57, 19 4 are 7, 19 4s are 76, 19 5s are 95, and 19 6 are 114. 114 is bigger than 102. So go one step back. 19 5s are 95. So multiply 1956 by 5. Yes, 5 6 are 30, 5 5s are 25, 3 28 will be here, 2 will be here, 9 5s are 45, plus 2 7 here, and 4 will be here, 5 1s are 5 and carry 4 9780. So children, write here 9780. And children, remember, the placing of digits in a number is very important. If you will place it wrong place, you will get wrong answer. Now do subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5, 15 minus 8, 7, 11 minus 7, 4, 9 minus 9, 0, it will be 0. Yes, children. So what is your remainder here? 475. Now what you have to do, children? You have to bring this number 0 here next to 5. And after bringing 0 here next to 5, what you have missed, children? You have missed to write quotient. So your quotient will be here. Your quotient will be, we have done 5 times. So you will be writing on the top 5. Yes, and 0 here. Now read out your number. 4750. Yes. Now check by which we are going to take this. So 19 3s are 57, and 57 is bigger than 47. So we will go one step back. We will be taking 19 2s are. 19 2s are 3912. We have already done this. Yes, children. So no use of doing it again. Write 2 here on the top of 0, and 3912 you will be writing here. Subtraction sign and subtract. 10 minus 2, 8. 4 minus 1, 3. Yes, 17 minus 9, 8. Yes, children. And 3 minus 3, 0. So 838 is your remainder. Now, children, what you have to do next? You have to bring this 2 down. You have to bring this 2 down next to 8. So what will be your number now? 8382. Yes. Your 19, this number 19 is playing very important role. So don't forget this. Okay. Now 8 is smaller than 19. So take one more digit, 83. Now read 19's table. 19 4s are 76, 19 5s are 95. Yes. So 19 times 5 is 95, and 95 is bigger than 83. So go one step back. 19 4s are. 19 4s are what? 76. 76 is smaller than 83. So now what you have to do? You have to divide multiply 1956 multiplied by 4. Yes, children. 4 6 are 24. 4 5s are 20. Carry 2. 22. 2 here. 2 here. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2. 8, 38, 3 will be here. 4 1s are 4 plus 3, 7, 7,824. Now write it here. 7,824. Yes, children. Subtraction sign. Subtract. 12 minus 4, 8. Yes. 7 minus 2, 5. 13 minus 8, again 5. 7 minus 7, 0. So what is your remainder here? Your remainder is 558. And you will be writing 4 here on the top of 2. Yes, children. and bring this one down next to, sorry, it is not straight, but it's okay, here next to 8. Yes, now your number is 5581. Now children, your number is 5581. Now again, forget it about these two numbers. 55. Read 19's table. You would be getting read 19's table until you get 55 or less than number which is less than 55, and it should come in 19's table. Yes children, so 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57. Yes, now children see 57 is again bigger than 55. So don't take it threes are. So now what you will be taking? 19 twos are. We have already done here children. See, we have already done 19 twos are and we got 3912. So no, I am not doing it again. Write it here. 3912. Subtraction sign. 11 minus 2, 9. Yes, 7 minus 1, 6. 15 minus 9, 6. And 4 minus 3, 1. Yes, children. And you will be writing 2 here on the top of 2. Yes, children. Now, 1669. What you have to do? You have to bring this last digit 8 which is on ones place down. This. Next to 9. Next to 9. Yes, 8 you will be writing. Now read your number. Now it is 16,698. Yes. Now read 19's table. 16 is smaller, so you have to take one more digit, 166. Now you have to read 19's table until you get 166 or number which is smaller than 166, and it should come in 19's table. Is it clear children? Now 19 fives are, remember 19 fives are 95, 19 sixes are 114, 19 sevens are 133, 19 eights are 152, 19 nines are 171. 171 is bigger than 166. So go one step back. Yani 19 eights are what? 152. But here you have to multiply 8 by 1956. Yes children, now do multiplication here. 8 6 are 48, 8 here, 4 will be here. 8 5s are 40, 4 44, 4 here, 4 here. 8 9s are 72, 72 plus 4, 76, 6 here, 7 here. 8 1s are 8 plus 7 is what? 15. So, what you will be writing here? 15,648 children. Now subtract this. 8 minus 8, 0. 9 minus 4, 5. 6 minus 6, 0. 6 minus 5, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. Yes, children. So, this 1050 is your remainder and 25,242 is your quotient. Yes, children. So, what is your quotient, children? Quotient is equal to 25,242. Sorry, we have to write 8 also here, children. We have to write, we missed it, 8 here. Yes, so your quotient will be, I am writing it again children, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 4, 2, 8. Put commas. 2,52,428 is your quotient. Yes, and your remainder is, sorry, 1050. So this is your answer, children. This quotient 2,52,428, remainder 1050. So this is how we do division with large number. And children, always remember this rough column. This rough column is very important. If you will miss this rough column, I'll not accept your division. Okay, so whenever you are doing division, please make rough column for your rough work. Is it clear, children? So this is how we do division. And there is a way to check whether your division is right or wrong. First, your remainder should be less than your divisor. Second, there is a formula how to check your division. Now children, see how to check our division. Now we will see how to check our division. Yes children, how to check our division, that division is right or wrong. For this children, there is a formula, and formula says divisor into quotient in plus remainder we get dividend. We get dividend. Okay children. So formula is here, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Yes children, what we get? We get dividend. Yes, and we get exact dividend, then our division is right. So children, what we have to do for that? We have to multiply divisor and quotient, and whatever product we get, we will add with 1050, and then we will get dividend. Yes children, this is how we check our division, it is right or wrong. Now I am not going to do this multiplication. This you have to do, and you have to tell me whether division is right or wrong. Is it clear children? So this is all for maths class today. Thank you.
So children, this is all for today's maths class. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.